A vehicle horn is a tool that warns other vehicles, because it uses sound to do that. The horn must be able to produce a sound that other drivers can notice, or the sound also must be able to warn the animal or people on the road where you drive your vehicle. Therefore, it should produce a loud sound that can easily reach the target. Number 1. JDMSPEED 12V24V train truck. This electric solenoid are used with air horns are for both 12-volt and 24-volt vehicles. When the vehicle's horn button is depressed, the solenoid becomes electrically energized, opening its chamber and permitting air to reach the horn. The solenoid remains engaged as long as the horn button is depressed. Max 150 psi. Threaded air outlet screws into any horn that has a female thread, and the compression air inlet side will accommodate an outer diameter hose, made of high-quality material with chrome plated. This valve is durable, stable. If you buy something through our links, buy now, click the link in description. Number 2. Viking horns for RV, truck. This dual trumpet electric horn is 100% stainless steel housing, 304 non-magnetic grade with a bright polished finish that will not rust. Designed for exterior use and ideal for boats in a saltwater environment and also RVs, SUVs and trucks. Will sound at a loud 125 dB. Ideal for any 12-volt system vehicle in almost any weather condition. This horn is maintenance-free and does not require a compressor or hoses. Simple 2-wire connection for quick installation. Number 3. Wolo Cannonball Express Truck Horn. The Wolo 837 is the perfect choice when a truck owner demands an ultra-powerful horn. Gives any 12-volt truck a true train horn sound. Constructed of all metal with 3 triple chrome-plated trumpets. The horn's base is painted steel. The Cannonball Express requires an onboard air system. Horn comes with all required mounting hardware. 10 feet length of a quarter nylon high-pressure hose and a heavy-duty 12-volt electric solenoid valve. The Cannonball Express requires an onboard air system. If you buy something through our links, buy now, click the link in description. Number 4. JDMSPEED new electric horn. High quality chrome plated zinc and aluminum alloy materials. Hard, durable, wear resistant and corrosion resistant. And also has long service life, can bring you more convenience. It also comes with a universal mount to make installation easier. Stronger air pressure can be made of upgraded air compressor and larger coil, which can prompt the horn emit a louder and clearer sound. Stronger air pressure can be made of upgraded air compressor and larger coil, which can prompt the horn emit a louder and clearer sound. High quality chrome-plated zinc and aluminum alloy materials. Hard, durable, wear resistant and corrosion resistant. Number 5. Kleinn Air Horns 102 Dual Truck Horn. Kleinn Air Horns 102 chrome-plated copper dual truck horn has 2 chrome all-metal trumpets 16.75 inches and 14.5 inches in length. Think fire truck or ambulance air horn but louder. The compact air horns can fit in almost any vehicle and deliver the big sound you need. Easy to fit, glistening chrome finish and extreme truck horn sound. This air horn is the complete package. It requires an onboard air system up to 150 psi for operation. There is a Vortex 4, 12-volt electronic air horn solenoid included.